Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Zach, your teacher. I hope you still remember me. So today we are going to learn about three things. We are going to learn some new vocabulary, and then we're going to do some work, and lastly we are going to recap our lessons in the form of Google quiz. So first, let's recap the previous lesson. Okay, so in the previous lesson we learned about what are the subject pronouns: he, she, it, we, they, and you. And then we also learned what is the affirmative pronoun. Singular I, he, she, we use am and is. I am, I'm, he is, she is, his, she's. Then plural, they, we, you, are, they are, we are, you are, they are, we are, you are. This is when we want to say yes or confirm. And then we also learn how to say no, the negative form, which is the for I, he, and she. I'm not, he's not, she's not. I am not, he's not, she's not, he isn't, she isn't. And then for plural negative form we have they, we, and the special you. So you're not, they are not, we are not, you're not, and then they aren't, we aren't, and you aren't. Okay, and then we also learn the types of subject pronouns: he, she, it, they, we, are, you. And this is the previous lesson, the exercise. You can see answer here. Number 1, Mark is from Paris. Change it to he is from Paris. For number 2, this book is good. Change it to it is good, because it refers to the book. And then Jan and Ed are from the UK. They are from the UK, because Jan and Ed are more than one. And then we have Anya and I are friends. If you are included, it will become we are friends. And then the last one, you and Mick are brothers. Okay, the answer here are you are brothers. Okay, I remember I corrected somebody, I forgot who, and I put there they are brothers. Okay, I'm sorry, it's supposed to be you. When there is the word you there, whether it's one person or many, it should be you are brothers. It should be you. It can be one, it can be more than one. Okay, so let's move to the next one. We also learned about possessive adjectives plus noun. Okay, we have the his, her, its, their, our, my, your, living thing, parents, pet, brother, friends, non-living things, car, house, books, and hobbies. After the possessive adjective his, it's always followed by noun. Like for example, his parents, her pet, its brother, their friends, our car, my books, your hobbies. Okay, that's what we have learned last week. And then this is the last exercise last week. Let's check on the answer. Number 1, this is my friend Mary. Number 2, her mom are from Perak. Number 3, they are friends with my mom and dad. Number 4, our house is next to their house. And number 5, it's the yellow house in this photo. Okay, so these are the answer. If you need time, you can pause the video and watch it, or watch it again later. Okay, now let's learn about preposition. Today we're going to learn about preposition. So what are preposition? Okay, so the prepositions we have: number 1, where is the ball? Okay, I'm going to give you some time. So where's the ball? Okay, let's check on the answer. The ball is on the box. If you see the position of the ball like in this picture, it means that the ball is on the box. So the first preposition here is the yellow color, on. Okay, so let's check the next one. Okay, we have the box and the ball. The ball is slightly far away from the box, but it's still close. So where's the ball? I'm going to give you a few seconds. Let's see if you get it right. Think. Okay, the ball is near the box. If you see the ball is close to the box but it's not very close, we call it near, like this one, like in the picture. Okay, next we have, okay, just now the ball is close but this one is closer. So where is the ball? The ball is next to the box. Okay, so when you see the ball very close to the box, or something is close to something else or someone, this position, the preposition is preposition next to or beside. Okay, now let's go to the next one. We have the preposition. Okay, now the box is on the ball. So where is the ball? Yes, the ball is under the box. Okay, then we have the ball and two boxes. So now where is the ball? Yes, the ball is now between the boxes. Remember, when you have three things, wait, let me use the mouse first. Okay, number one, and then number two and number three. So if you have three things, the one in the middle, which means the number two, the word between, it's between. Okay, but if I ask you where is the box, then the answer should be the box is next to the ball. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, preposition. Now where is the ball? For this one, the ball is in the box. Okay, so for exercise 1, what I want you to do is I want you to listen and write. Okay, but before that, let's do some sample exercise. Okay, so we have all of that. So now what I want you to do is let's just practice. Ignore the numbers. Dictionaries are on the shelf. Okay, so what are dictionaries? Dictionaries are the one with the number 9 here, the one with the Oxford there. So there are 5 dictionaries, 1 2 3 4 5. That's why we put the IES. If there's only one, we call it dictionary. Okay, so what are shelf? Shelf are the one with number 10, the one we can put the vase, we can put the book or something. So in here the dictionaries are on the shelf. So that's the first example. The next one, Eva's desk is next to Paul's. If you look at the desk, there are 3 desks, Harry, Paul and Eva. There are 3 names there. The desks are the one next to number 13. So Eva is sitting next to Paul, so Eva's desk is next to Paul's. Okay, the last one, the board is near the clock. What is a board? A board refers to the whiteboard, the one with the drawing, the white color board, and it is near the clock. It is not next to the clock, it is near the clock. The clock is the one with the yellow color. So 8, the board is near to 7, the clock. Okay, so this is just an example. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so what I want you to do here is I want you to look at the 2 pictures. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16 items in the picture. So I want you to listen and write the answer to the text. Okay, let's begin.
1. The dictionaries are on the shelf. 2. The teacher's mobile is in the drawer. 3. The laptop is between the speakers. 4. The students' chairs are under their desks. 5. The poster is next to the teacher's table. 6. Harry's coat is on his chair. 7. Harry's bag is under his desk. 8. The clock is near the board. 9. The board is opposite the students' desks. 10. Harry's pen is next to his notebook. 11. Paul's desk is between Harry and Eva's desks.
Okay, so you have listened to the 11 sentences. Now I want you to try to do the exercise here. But don't worry, if you didn't catch it, let's move on to the next session with the answer. Let's listen it again.
1. The dictionaries are on the shelf. 2. The teacher's mobile is in the drawer. 3. The laptop is between the speakers. 4. The students' chairs are under their desks. 5. The poster is next to the teacher's table. 6. Harry's coat is on his chair. 7. Harry's bag is under his desk. 8. The clock is near the board. 9. The board is opposite the students' desks. 10. Harry's pen is next to his notebook. 11. Paul's desk is between Harry and Eva's desks.
Okay, so I hope you get the answer. For number 11, the last word there which is not clear, Harry and Eva's desk, D-E-S-K. Okay, so this is your first exercise. After this, we are going to do something else. Please write this one in your EX, okay? Okay, now let's move on to exercise 2. Okay, for today, I want you to draw a desk. Desk is a table, student table, like your table in the school, the one you miss so much. And after you draw a desk, I want you to draw any 4 objects. Okay, so let me give you an example first. Okay, so this is your desk. First draw a desk. Okay, and then I'm going to put a bag. This is my school bag, and then I'm going to write something. In my picture, a bag is under the desk. Okay, next I'm going to put something else here. Okay, a water bottle. So where's the water bottle? A water bottle is next to the desk. Then we have a football, a ball. So we can write a ball is near the desk. And then the last one, I'm going to put some apples on the desk. I'm going to put 3 apples actually. Okay, so how am I going to write it? I'm going to write it like this. 3 apples are on the desk, or are on my desk, something like that. So this is the first example, the first writing. I want you to write about your picture. Okay, so I want you to draw a picture, draw a desk, and draw any 4 things, but you cannot follow what I draw here. So you cannot draw a football, bag, apples, and water bottle. You cannot. You must draw something else. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so let's clear all of this, and there you are. You have only the table left. Okay, so this is your table. If you need it, you can screenshot and print it out. If you don't, you can just draw by yourself. You can use your phone, or you can use A4 paper, or you can just use just do it in the computer. But I want you to draw 4 other things, 4 other objects, animals as well, you can if you want. And I want you to use the preposition, 4 different prepositions. You cannot use the same preposition just now. Okay, so this one is your second exercise. You need to draw 4 objects, and you need to write 4 sentences using the any 4 prepositions that you have learned today. Okay, you have learned about 7 prepositions just now, so choose 4. Okay, so for the end of our lesson today, what you need to do is you need to recap quiz. Okay, so you go to the link I have given you before, whether in Google Classroom or WhatsApp, or you can just also check down below in the description of the YouTube. And I want you to do the 3 Google quiz form. So there are 3 Google quiz link here. Number 1 is the about starter unit, page number 4 recap. Number 2, the second one is starter unit, page 5 recap, the one we did last week. And the last one is down below, starter unit, page 6 recap, the one that we are doing today. So that's it for today. Make sure to do all work and send it through WhatsApp or Google Classroom. And if you do have any question, do ask. I might not be able to answer you as soon as possible because I am still at Kampung. I will be here until the end of February. I will only be going back to Johor on the 1st March. Finger crossed there's no MCO again, no extended PKP. And those who didn't come to my lesson for 3 times, I will have to send your name to the admin, to the class teacher, and you will be given a warning unless you have a valid reason on why you cannot attend the lesson. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you, class. Bye.